Well, today's the day. It's go time. Breakfast is not complimentary, so I'm gonna be having another one of my bagels. And granola if I get really hungry. But yeah. I slept good. I went to bed at like 9. Okay, let's get up. Hotel coffee. Cheers. Ugh. Yeah. All right, let's get ready to go. All right, I think I got everything. I hope so. All right, first day of everything. It's gonna be intense. I forgot my glasses at home. Gosh, I'm mad about that. Okay, little sunrise. Little sunrise in the morning. Oh, I love that. Oh, hello, sun. Oh, yes. Alright, so we are here at the school. Oh yeah. Alright, let's do this thing. There was a full-on bar mitzvah going on downstairs. It is 10 o'clock at night. Oh, shit. Okay. I'm exhausted. While the stuff is uploading, I'm probably going to take a shower because it's gonna take a hot second because we've had like, I don't know, 200 entries or so, basically. So it's gonna take a while. I mean, yeah. So I'm probably gonna take a shower to kill the time. Tomorrow, I'm leaving in the morning. I'm tired. So because it's so late at night, I think I'm going to try and get up at 7. I might be tired, but I want to try to get on the road by 7, but I know that's probably not going to happen. But I'm going to take a shower now and just relax, hopefully, so I can get this stuff done. This is the first time I've ever done these kinds of systems and everything, so I'm still trying to get used to everything, and I'm tired. My eye is like fully red, but my left eye is getting there, but my right eye is definitely there. So anyway, yeah, this is my life. This is what I do now. Good morning, guys. I woke up at 6:12 right now. I just woke up and I just went back to sleep. My uploader finished last night, so I'm guessing everything is good. I'm really not sure, but I need to pack everything up. Yeah. And like my stuff is kind of like all over the place. So I'm gonna get dressed, I'm gonna eat a bagel, and I guess we'll get the show on the road. This backpack is packed to the brim, and I did not even put toiletries in here, so it's because I packed it differently. You know, you always pack it differently from when you go, and you pack it so intricately that you're like, okay, this is gonna work. And then when you're packing up, you're like, this did not work. Because you're like, you're tired and you don't care, and all your clothes are a mess. You're like, you know what, it is what it is. And then like nothing fits. Is that just me whenever I go somewhere, or like, perfect. Because I didn't even see this. Wait, do you guys see this? It says non-dairy creamer. Like, that's so thoughtful. Honestly, it made it 10 times better. 10 times better. All right, we are ready and about to go get on a road. All right, we have checked out. Directions are in the GPS. We'll be good on gas for a little while. Let's go home. I'm home. I'm so tired. Oh yeah. Definitely